Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Learning, and it is the first video regarding Python learning in which we will learn from the absolute beginning to an intermediate level. In this video you will be really enjoy coding, and it doesn't matter whether you know any programming language or not. So let's start. This is the content list of Python module in which we are going to learn in this part 1. In the part 1, it's mainly focus on introduction to the Python and its installation on our Windows system. And if you doesn't have any PC, then I will recommend you to download an application which is PyDroid 3 in your Android phone, and it's look like this. You can see here, this is the PyDroid 3 and IDE for Python, so I recommended you to download in your mobile phone. And here in this module we will have a basic approach to Python in which we will get an introduction to IDLE. This is the introduction to the IDLE, and we also make our first program under this part 1, and we also going to be familiar with the variables in this part. So without wasting our time, let us go with the contents and start with introduction to Python. Friends, in this slide we are going to know about introduction to Python, and we are also going to have a touch up of Python and knowing its advantage over other language and its application and use in real life, as well as also its scope, which is limitless. Guys, if you want to note down any content, then note it down pausing the video. By the way, let's start introducing Python. Python is a programming language created by Guido van Rossum. Guys, this is Guido van Rossum, which created Python and introduced it in the programming world in 1991. So friends, now focusing on Python. Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language which is easier to understandable and being easier to learn than any other programming language as a beginner. So I will likely to recommend everyone to learn Python because it is easy to learn and have endless scope. And now if you belong to my country India, then you will also familiar with our new education policy released recently, as you can see here, which say that coding to be taught from class 6. It means that coding become compulsory for student above class 6 onwards. So guys, it is still not late. So coding will be more demanding in future, and its requirement and need increases with time, and therefore I will recommend you to learn Python because of its advantages and superiority over than other language when we talk about its simplicity. And also it contains various useful libraries, which is really a great thing in itself. Now talking about Python application and in real life and its scope. Guys, Python being complete in itself has very large scope and its application in real life. It is used in web and game development and able to create interesting games. It has many libraries including PySY and Pygame, which allow us to create 3D and 2D game respectively, and it's provide functionality for game development. Guys, we all know about the PUBG, and you will be shocked to know that the code of the PUBG is being developed in Python. Python helped PUBG to become more secureable and hack-proof from hackers. It means that Python helped the users to remain secureable its data from the hackers. And now moving about image processing and business application. Regarding image processing and business development, Python is used in face detection using OpenCV library. You can find many photos like you can see that here in Facebook. Facebook used the Python to help you in face recognition, so it can suggest people you might want to tag in your photos, and that all credit goes to Python. And also it is used in business application prediction in gain or loss related to procurement stocks on time. Now in third one, regarding machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is another glamorous feature of Python. Machine learning, where Python developers are mostly attracted based upon past data. Python libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and NLTK are widely used for prediction of trends like customer satisfaction, projected value of stocks, etc. So friend, this is the machine learning model management, where data is being prepared, trained, built, and undergo test models, and it's undergo 4 steps to model management, where it is being monitored, compared, and evaluate, and then rebuild again. So friends, Python application is endless and limitless, and application of Python, like it is used in Android apps, automated jobs, embedded system, Internet of Things, and it is used as rapid development tools, and it is used in much more things. So guys, I think that it is enough for today. So thank you guys, and I will see you next video with installation of Python. Thank you.